Hello guys, welcome back to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we'll talk about one more placement opportunity from Accenture. So, if you are new to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I come up with these kind of job opportunities on a daily basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we'll talk about a job opportunity from Accenture. So we'll talk about all the detailed information such as the educational qualifications required for this job. We'll talk about the company. Also we'll talk about the locations, about the CTC they are offering, about the batches who are eligible for this job and the skill sets. So we'll talk about all the information that one should know if he or she is willing to apply for this Accenture job opportunity. So I request you guys to watch this video till the end to get a complete idea about this job. So let's start with the today's video. So very firstly, we'll talk about Accenture. So Accenture is a global professional service company with leading capabilities in digital, cloud and security, combining unmatched experience and specialized skills across more than 40 industries. We offer strategy and consulting, interactive technology and operational services, all powered by the world's largest network of advanced technology and intelligent operations centers. So they have also mentioned the official website of Accenture here. So you can just visit. If you are willing to know more about Accenture, just visit this official website of Accenture. So further we'll see about the JD, that is job description. As a software engineer, you would largely be involved in design, build, test, assemble, support and configure the applications using business requirements, understand business drivers that will impact performance and deliver software to those expectations, bake technology trends into solutions, participate in the development of automation solutions, new functionality and technologies and integrate them into existing solutions, responsible for incident resolution and support extended to customers through voice interaction, email, chat, remote support. So these are the things they have mentioned here, that what one will be doing if he or she get hired for this position. So they have also mentioned these kind of information here. So if you are willing to read this all in detail, so please I'll provide the link for this job in the description box of the video. Just go through that link, you will get to read all this kind of information. So we'll talk about eligibility criteria. So the very first eligibility criteria is B and BTech holders for all streams are eligible for the drive, and also 2019 and 2020 grads are eligible only. An aggregate of 65% or 6.5 CGPA and no active backlogs at the time of recruitment process and during onboarding. So make sure you have 65%. And the third will be max 1 year gap in education post 10th standard till completion of education. So only 1 year of gap is eligible. Zero to 1 year of work experience. So if you are having 0 years of experience or 1 year of experience, so you can apply for the same. The candidates should have certifications, academic project experience, internship, work experience in following technologies they have mentioned, like Java, ASP.NET, SAP, ABAP and SFDC. So these are the technologies they have mentioned here. And next eligibility criteria is candidates must be eligible to work in India either by citizenship or have relevant work permit documents. Candidate who have worked or applied at Accenture before must disclose the details at the time of application. And also please note that Bhutan and Nepal nationals can work in India without a need of obtaining a work visa. All other foreign nationals requires a work visa or an overseas citizenship of India, that is OCI, or person of Indian origin card to work in India. So these are all the eligibility criteria. Make sure you fit in all these eligibility criteria for application of this job. So in this way we have talked about each and everything related for this Accenture job. So the last date to apply for the same is Tuesday 22nd of December, and the drive date will be 23rd of December on Wednesday, and the drive location will be online, so they'll conduct this complete drive in online manner. And the location for all the candidates who will get hired will be Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune and Gurugram. So these are the 6 locations they have mentioned here, and the CTC they are offering is of 4.5 LPA, and they'll give you a post of associate software engineer. So this is a very good opportunity for all the freshers. So in this way we have seen complete information about this Accenture off-campus placement drive. So I'll provide the links for the same in the description box of the video, so please don't forget to check out the description box of the video if you're willing to apply. And please share this video with your friends who are looking for job opportunities, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I come up with these kind of videos on a regular basis. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you.